It feels so peaceful when it rains like this. Here, have another pakora while they are hot. Oh, Aji, this one looks perfect. Thank you.
There it goes. Look, it's winning. They look so magical in the rain.
Thank you for the pickle. It smells delicious. And the spinach is so fresh. Stay dry on your way back.
Is the papad roasted enough, Grandma?
Just right, my dear. The curry smells wonderful, doesn't it? This dal is wonderful, Mother.
Are you enjoying the meal, dear?
Yes, it's my favorite. Can I have more rice, please?
Wow, look at this one. He's fast. I see him. Let's find more. I found one over here. Come quick.
Is the butter fully melted yet?
Almost. It smells absolutely delicious, doesn't it?